Hello, welcome to Guidancy Education channel. In this video, we are continuing chapter 1 of class 12 physics. The first chapter is on electric charge and fields. We will see the topics discussed. The main topic is electric dipole. The subtopics include what is electric dipole, examples of electric dipole, how to represent an electric dipole, what are the conventions followed, what is dipole moment, what is the formula for calculating dipole moment, what is the unit of dipole moment, what is the importance of electric dipole, that is why we should learn electric dipole, what is its significance, electric field due to dipole. That is only introduction, otherwise the video will be too long. I have given a large number of subtopics here. Don't be scared by them. They are all very small topics. Moreover, this topic is very important from examination point of view. So watch the video completely without skipping. And if you think the video is useful, like the video and share the video with your friends who may also be benefited. And also leave your comments in the comment box down below. Okay, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell button so that you get intimated as soon as videos are posted. Do not forget to press the all button also near the bell button. As usual, do not forget to see the description box where I give the details of the video. Thank you very much. Now we will continue with the video. The first subtopic is what is an electric dipole. That is, we have to define it. Let us understand it. These are 2 point charges marked Q1 and Q2. Q1 is equal to Q2 in magnitude, but their signs are different. Q1 is negative and Q2 is positive. These 2 charges are at a permanent distance between them. The distance is measured from the center of one charge to the center of the other charge. This distance is marked as 2a. You should not confuse there. The total distance is taken as 2a. We will need this concept for doing derivations and also doing problems. I will mark the midpoint of this distance. Distance of the midpoint to the center of any one of the charge is equal to a, that is half of 2a. This arrangement is called electric dipole. You can easily remember this. The word electric stands for charge and dipole means polarity, that is negative charge and positive charge. Now let us define electric dipole. 2 equal and opposite point charges separated by a small distance is called an electric dipole. That is the definition for electric dipole. The charges have equal magnitude, but they have opposite charges. That is the main concept. For a particular dipole, the magnitude of the charges and the distance between them is constant. Hydrogen chloride molecule and water molecule behave like electric dipoles. They are covalent molecules but have polarity. In hydrogen chloride molecule, chlorine atom is highly electronegative. Therefore, hydrogen develops a delta positive charge and the chlorine atom develops a delta negative charge. The shared pair of electrons is slightly shifted towards the chlorine atom. That is the reason. What about the molecule of water? How do we represent it when we show the bond? HOH. H develops a delta positive charge and OH develops a delta negative charge. The ionic compound sodium chloride is yet another example. There are ever so many other molecules also which behave like electric dipoles. This is because one of the participating atoms in the molecule is highly electronegative when compared with the other atom or element. Now let us see how to represent an electric dipole? Sometimes a question may be asked on that. So we have seen the definition, we have seen an example, now representation. It is represented following certain conventions. The negative charge is always on the left hand side and positive charge on the right hand side. The distance between the charges is measured from the center of one charge to that of the other charge, and that distance is always represented as 2a. So we have seen the conventions followed while representing the electric dipole. What is electric dipole moment? It is the strength of the electric dipole. The symbol for electric dipole moment is P. What is the expression for calculating dipole moment? Dipole moment is the product of any one of the charges. Let us represent it as Q, because the magnitude of Q1 is equal to Q2. And write this as equal to Q. Their signs are not considered. So product of Q and the distance between the two, that is 2a, which can be written as 2qa. This gives the magnitude. Dipole moment is a vector quantity, so we have to show that over the symbol for dipole moment. So it has magnitude and direction. What is the direction? The direction is from the negative charge to the positive charge. That is along this direction. P is along this direction. So that is why by convention we always represent the negative charge on the left hand side and positive charge on the right hand side. It becomes very easy to remember. We have seen the direction. Now we will see the unit of dipole moment. See the formula for calculating dipole moment. It is 2qa. So there is charge and then length. So the unit becomes coulomb meter. Do not confuse this with centimeter. So represent coulomb in a pretty big letter. Now we will see significance or importance of electric dipole moment. You know matter has electrical property. You have learnt that in the first chapter of class 12 chemistry. Dipole moment helps to explain the electrical property of matter. You have already learnt that the difference in the electrical property of matter is due to the difference in the alignment of the dipole moment domains in matter. I have already posted a video on that topic under class 12 chemistry. I shall give the link in the I-card above. Now we want to know the electric field of dipole. We know the field is due to charge, but the total charge of the electric dipole is equal to 0. Why? You will be able to see that the positive Q and negative Q get cancelled. Though the net charge of the electric dipole is equal to 0, it has an electric field, and its value is different along different directions. That is, the three-dimensional space around the dipole experiences a force due to its presence, and we called it by the name electric field. So, though the total charge is 0, there is an electric field. Remember this point, because examiners take a fancy on such contradictory points. Now that we have finished all these points regarding dipole, we will do one important problem. Similar problems may be expected for the examination. I will read the problem. Two charges plus minus 20 microcoulomb is separated by a distance 10 millimeter. Calculate the magnitude and direction of dipole moment. What is the meaning of plus minus 20 microcoulomb? There are two charges. One is plus 20 microcoulomb, the other is minus 20 microcoulomb. Representing the data given in the form of a picture will fetch you some mark. This is the negative charge, negative 20 microcoulomb. This is the positive charge, 20 microcoulomb. The distance from the center of one charge to the center of the other charge is 2a and it is equal to 10 millimeter. List down the data given. Magnitude of the given charge Q is equal to 20 microcoulomb. Convert to SI unit. This becomes equal to 20 into 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb. Distance 2A is equal to 10 millimeter. In SI system, it becomes 10 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. So you identify that the question is from electric dipole. You have to calculate the magnitude and direction of the dipole moment. We will substitute the data that we have obtained in the formula directly. The formula is P is equal to 2QA, that is Q into 2A. So Q is equal to 20 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 2A, 10 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter, and Q is in coulomb. This is equal to 20 into 10 into 10 raised to minus 6 plus minus 3, which is equal to 200 into 10 raised to minus 9 coulomb meter, or 2 into 10 raised to minus 11 coulomb meter. So now we have the magnitude. Now we have to find out the direction. It is from negative Q to positive Q. We will note it in the diagram, negative Q and positive Q. So the direction of P is along this direction. The arrow shows the direction. I hope this video was of great help to you. Thank you very much for watching. We will meet in the next video with another similar important topic.